Okay, so like I mentioned in a recent short video, I just bought a DJI Mini 3 before knowing that I couldn't use it for commercial purposes until I got a license. So, but that's fine. I'm just gonna go get a license. So it's no big deal. But this is it. I started opening the box in the middle of opening it up. I took the wrapping off and I got this, and then I realized, wait a minute, I have a YouTube channel. I could do an unboxing video. Why not? So yeah, unboxing video of the DJI Mini 3. So this version of it is called the Fly More Combo. And so it comes with a remote control, and you see on the back of the box, it has a charger that can charge all. It comes with 3 batteries. It can charge all 3 batteries. And let's go take a look. Now, I've got a question for you. Put it in the comments if I've already ruined the unboxing experience. I don't know. You know, I've watched some unboxing videos before, but you know, I'm not an expert on unboxing. This will be my first unboxing video, so maybe my last. I don't know. We'll see. We're just having some fun here. Did I ruin it by taking the plastic off of the outside and breaking the little seal here? Is that something that people want to see when they see an unboxing video? Is it kind of like when you get a new cell phone and you have that like little plastic layer on the front and you peel it off? It's like, oh, it's like, is there something like that on unboxing videos? I don't know. I don't watch enough of them. All right, but let's check out what we got here. So, opening the box. It's got a QR code, scan QR code before first use. Okay, so the QR code leads to the DJI Fly app. I guess we could fly it with the cell phone. Watch video tutorials and read the user manual. Okay, we'll do that someday. I really like, so it comes with this case. The case has a little thing on here that says, okay, product name, DJI Mini Shoulder Bag. Okay, nice. So it's a padded case. It's reminds me of like a photographer. I used to, when I was into photography, I had a camera case for all my cameras and lenses and whatnot. And yeah, this reminds me of that. It's padded. It's pretty good thick padding there. So on the inside, it's got all the stuff in it. Let's see what we've got here. So this first big thing, this is the remote. Open that sucker up. There we go. See, does it have some of that plastic to peel off? No, it does not. Oh, well, I like that. But no such luck. But, okay. And the remote does not have the little, okay, so you got to screw on the little thumbstick thingies. But yeah, it's like a big Xbox controller, with a remote thing in there. Okay, big screen. What do we have here? This is a pack of all the little doodads, the cords and the, oh man, okay. So we've got instructions and, well, this feels like a sticker. What is that? Memory? I don't know. Yeah, all these like little warning stuffs and whatnot. What have we got here? This is, okay, a little screwdriver thingy for screwing things into other things. I don't know. So a Type-C to Type-C USB cord to plug stuff in. And a Type-A to Type-C cord. Okay, so this is like for charging and stuff, I would imagine. That is exciting. If all this stuff charges with USB, that made my day. I did not know that. I was kind of wondering, because part of this thing is, you know, I want to deploy when I go like emergency service kind of stuff. So field operations for with Aries, you know, go and help out in emergency situations, disaster areas. And all of my equipment is standardized to USB. And oh yes, this charger box, this charger block charges 3 batteries, and it is USB-C. Oh my goodness. I am so happy. That is so exciting. But it's DJI. So I did some research on this, and I mean, DJI seems like it's hands down the best. You know, just high quality. I mean, it is. This is some high quality stuff. So in my research, it looked like the DJI Mini 3 fit all my requirements. It was in the budget that I was willing to spend on a drone as a beginner. It has all the features that I would need. It's beginner friendly. It takes good pictures. Takes great real estate photography. I mean, it's a pretty awesome drone from everything I've read. Now I haven't actually experienced it, but this is solid. This is awesome. Okay. Now the piece de resistance. Oh, and look at this. The bag has padded dividers inside. High quality stuff, man. So the drone goes in this little padded compartment, and then you have padded compartments for all the other stuff. This is sweet. This is the drone itself. Okay. It is tiny. Ooh. So that is the drone. So the arms fold up, and let's see. There we go. Okay, they fold out like that, and like that. And okay, these fold straight out like that and like that. And oh, it's got some, oh, this is nice. It's got a little cover to protect the camera and all that. And it's got a little tab here to pull off for some reason. Can't, my eyes aren't good enough to read what it says, but there we go. Okay, so pull that off. And it's got little protector things for the lens. Oh, and the camera's on this like little gimbal thing. This thing is awesome. This is gonna be fun. This is gonna be fun. I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this thing. I'm gonna have a lot of fun with it, and I'm not gonna use it for any commercial purposes at all, I promise. Until I get my official license. I think I'm holding it upside down because Mini 3 is it supposed to be like that? Does it fly? Yeah, I think it flies like this. Okay. So I guess it flies like this. Yeah, sweet. All right, we're gonna have some fun.